G'day guys, welcome back to Wheels and Donuts. We decided to take the FJ out for its ultimate challenge today, and we took it to the Powerline track out at Mundaring in Perth. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you on the tracks.
I think I heard a scrape there. That's got it. That bull dust is like... Got about 2 centimeters before you scrape, so you got clearance. Wait there, wait there, wait there, wait there. Wait.
Good. I can 100% report that the 33s have been absolutely epic on the FJ with no lift. So no rubbing.
The back wheel is up in space right now.
Yeah, it's about 2 foot off the ground, but if it's not on camera, it didn't happen, right? Let's go, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. That's it, that's it, that's it. It's just powder. It's crazy.
Just get him nice and slow.
Nice and slow. No, I'm not. He should find the brakes before he finds me.
Yeah, looking good.
That's it, that's it, that's it.
Yep.
Nice and slow, nice and slow, nice and slow.
Beautiful.
Nice. Yeah, that'll it.
Get him to take the ticket track, mate. Mate, that needs a fist bump.
That was good. I love that.
That was good. There you go. Try and get the side view with your up wheel too.
Go with that. Nice view lift. Hey, I got that one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Drive.
That's, oh yeah.
Go with that.
Nice big boulder there. Try and stay up on the top of the ridges for this. Drop in. That's a bit steep up top. We got more of that really soft dust. Alright, well, I got myself in a tricky situation. It was bound to happen. We got everything sort of...
What's the go with the line up behind you? It's like you're stuck or not moving or something.
I don't know if you can see the mirrors.
Get a move on, there's people waiting.
Patience is a virtue, we can wait.
It is pretty gnarly. It is definitely pretty gnarly. I've bottomed out at the front pretty hard. So we're doing a little winch recovery now just to get me over this, hopefully. But so far it's been pretty fun. Haven't banged up any panels yet, so fingers crossed we can get through this section.
Get traction, get traction. There you go, there you go. Hold up.
Anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Get out on the tracks and hopefully I can see you out there next time. And don't forget, like and subscribe. And I'll leave a link below in the description if you want to join our group, Off-Road Australia on Facebook. Plenty of local guys in the Perth area. If you want to come out with us sometime, join the group, join the chats, and yeah, come along. Have a good weekend. I'll catch you later. Woo.